In this video, we're going to take a close look at iDrive. Is it the right cloud backup solution for you? We'll break down everything you need to know, from its best features to its biggest flaws. Stay tuned to find out if iDrive is worth your money. So, what exactly is iDrive? It's a service that keeps your digital files safe. Think of it as a super secure online vault for your photos, videos, and documents. You can back up everything from your computer, your phone, and even your tablet. And the best part, you can do it all in one single account. This means you don't have to worry about losing your precious memories or important work files if your device crashes or gets lost. But is it really that simple? iDrive also lets you sync your files across all your devices. So, a file you save on your computer can be opened on your phone. It's like having your files with you wherever you go. We're going to dive into how this all works and if it's as good as it sounds. Keep watching to learn more. Now, for the exciting part, the features. First up is the ability to back up unlimited devices. Yes, you heard that right. Unlimited. This is a huge deal. Most other services limit the number of devices you can back up. With iDrive, you can protect your laptop, your desktop, your phone, your tablet, and any other gadget you have, all under one subscription. This is perfect for families or anyone with a lot of tech. It's a feature that offers incredible value. Are you tired of paying for multiple backup plans? This could be the solution for you. Next, let's talk about iDrive Express. What if you have a massive amount of data to back up? Uploading terabytes of files can take days or even weeks. This is where iDrive Express comes in. They will physically ship you a hard drive. You can load all your files into it and then ship it back to them. They will then upload everything to your account. This is a game changer for anyone with a slow internet connection. It makes the initial backup process incredibly fast and easy. And if you ever need to restore your data, they can do the same thing in reverse. It's a fantastic feature for those with huge files. Third on our list is file syncing. iDrive isn't just for backups. It's also a great tool for keeping your files in sync. Imagine you're working on a document on your computer. You can save it to your iDrive sync folder and then continue working on it on your tablet while you're on the go. Any changes you make are automatically updated across all your devices. This is super convenient for people who work on multiple computers. It's like having your own personal cloud. No more emailing files to yourself. Everything is seamlessly connected. Is this the feature you've been looking for? Finally, let's talk about security. In today's world, keeping your data safe is more important than ever. iDrive takes this very seriously. They use 256-bit AES encryption to protect your files. This is the same level of encryption used by banks and governments. But here's the kicker. You can also set up a private encryption key. This means that only you can access your files. Not even the people at iDrive can see your data. This gives you an extra layer of privacy and peace of mind. If you're concerned about who can see your files, this is a must-have feature. But no product is perfect, right? So what's the catch with iDrive? The main disadvantage is that the storage isn't unlimited. While you can back up an unlimited number of devices, the amount of data you can store is capped. If you have a lot of large files, you might find yourself running out of space and needing to upgrade to a more expensive plan. Also, some users find the user interface a little bit cluttered and not as modern as some of the competitors. For those in Europe, it is also worth noting that iDrive is a US-based company, which might be a concern for those who are worried about data privacy laws. Now, let's talk about the price. How much will iDrive set you back? The great news is that there's a free plan. It gives you 10 gigabytes of storage, which is a great way to test out the service. If you need more space, there are several paid plans. The personal plan offers a lot of storage for a very reasonable price. There are also team plans for small businesses and business plans for larger companies. The pricing is very competitive, especially when you consider that you can back up an unlimited number of devices. You can pay monthly or yearly, and there are often discounts for newcomers. So, who is iDrive for? Honestly, it's for a lot of different people. If you're an individual who wants to back up all your devices without breaking the bank, iDrive is a fantastic choice. It's perfect for students, photographers, and anyone who has a lot of digital files they can't afford to lose. It's also a great solution for families who want to back up multiple computers and phones. For businesses, iDrive offers powerful features like server backup and user management. It's a versatile service that can grow with your needs. Whether you're a tech novice or a seasoned pro, iDrive has a plan that can work for you. In conclusion, iDrive is a powerful and affordable backup solution. It's packed with features that you'd normally find in more expensive services. If you're looking for a way to protect your digital life, iDrive is definitely worth considering. I hope this review has been helpful. If you're interested in trying iDrive, please consider using the affiliate link in the description below. It won't cost you anything extra, but it will help support this channel. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.